Hello and welcome to today's episode, where we explore ToxTeller, a new machine learning framework developed to predict the toxicity of peptides, molecules that hold promise as the next generation of therapeutics. First, why peptide toxicity matters. Peptides are small chains of amino acids with high specificity and efficacy. They're increasingly used to develop treatments for diseases like cancer. But there's a major challenge: toxicity. A peptide designed to treat disease might itself be harmful to the body. Testing this experimentally is slow and expensive. That's where computational tools, like ToxTeller, step in. ToxTeller is not just a single model, it's a collection of 4 machine learning models: logistic regression, support vector machines, random forests, and XGBoost. These are trained on a carefully curated dataset of peptides, labeled as either toxic or non-toxic. But here's what sets ToxTeller apart. Its developers didn't just use public keyword searches to find toxic peptides. Instead, they mined deeper into protein annotations from Swissprot and Conoserver databases and applied strict evidence checks to ensure reliability. They also filtered for sequence similarity, keeping it below 40% between training and testing data, to prevent overfitting. Then, to train machine learning models, you first need to convert peptide sequences into numbers. ToxTeller uses 3 types of features: sequence composition, physicochemical properties, principal properties. That is, essentially, data-compressed versions of the above using PCA. These features were combined in 28 different ways, and the best-performing combinations were selected via 10-fold cross-validation on the training set. ToxTeller's models performed well overall. ToxTeller was then benchmarked against 2 existing peptide toxicity predictors: ToxinPred, based on SVM, ToxIBTL, a deep learning model using CNN and recurrent networks. On curated subsets of test peptides that weren't used in the training of these existing tools, ToxTeller often outperformed both, especially in sensitivity, a critical measure for identifying toxic peptides correctly. All models, datasets, and code are openly available. This means you can try ToxTeller, retrain it, or integrate it into your own peptide pipeline. In summary, ToxTeller is a robust, transparent, and high-performing machine learning framework for peptide toxicity prediction. It stands out through its well-curated dataset, diverse feature engineering, strong performance on unseen data, and thoughtful strategies to minimize harmful false negatives.